A biome is an area that we define according to the animals and plants that live there. They have to adapt to the biome's specific conditions such as temperature, type of soil, and the amount of light and water. A biome's plants and animals form a complex and interconnected community. On planet Earth, there are the forests, the shrublands, the savannas, and marine biomes. And forests can include tropical broadleaf moist forests that are also known as rainforests, and these are warm, wet woods that support a huge variety of animals and plant life. And then there are the tropical dry broadleaf forests, and these areas are warm all year round but have a long dry season, and many trees lose their leaves. The tropical coniferous forests are a place where many migrating birds and butterflies spend the winter. Tropical forests cover less than 7% of the planet, but are home to nearly half of all living things on Earth. The temperate broadleaf forest is the most common habitat of Northern Europe and home to trees that lose their leaves in the winter. The temperate coniferous forests are a place with giant trees such as the California redwood that thrive in these regions of warm summers and cool winters. The boreal forest is the largest biome on Earth. It's dominated by just a few types of coniferous trees. Shrublands include Mediterranean shrublands and desert and dry shrublands. Mediterranean shrublands have hot and dry summers that can lead to fires that actually help the biome's typical shrubby plants sprout. Desert and dry shrublands are a place where desert inhabitants have to be able to survive on less than 10 inches of rainfall per year. The Arctic tundra is a cold and dry biome where the soil stays frozen at depth. This permafrost stops trees from growing. Polar desert is too cold and dry for almost all plants. Only animals dependent on the sea, such as penguins, can live here. Savannas have long and dry seasons and short rainy periods, resulting in a grassland studded with trees and herds of grazing animals. Flooded savanna is a place where birds are attracted to marshy wetland areas that are flooded in the wet season, but grassland at other times.